Welcome guys to another Out of Line Garage unboxing. It's actually going to be another dash cam. So this one is the Crosstour model number CR900 front and rear 1080p. This is one I really wanted for the focus. I haven't actually got to take a look at it yet, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it now. Let's go ahead and start out with the packaging itself. It's actually a nice package right here. You see 1080p Full HD 170 degree wide angle. It has a 3-inch screen on it, and it has a motion detector inside of it. Pretty much there's nothing really much else on it. Some of the technical details. Looks like we got a user's guide and 2 boxes on the inside. Alright, this one looks like the main unit itself. So yeah, here's the camera here. Has a mount. Now, it's really lightweight. Feels like there's not too much in it. Go ahead and open up the other box. Alright, so we got USB cables, power. This looks like the rear camera. Yep, so here is that rear camera. So I'll be able to install it on the back windscreen, just like that. USB cable there. Alright, so I guess we'll go ahead and get this installed. I don't know if we'll cover that and get some test shots for you. Alright there guys, so I went ahead and installed it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so this is the rear camera. You can't see it. It's actually right here in the tint. There it is. Really easy install. I just kind of centered it as much as possible and then ran it very similar to how we did the reverse camera on the car. So yeah, it goes down through here and then it goes around, and I'll show you. So it's going to follow the same path we did for the rear view camera, just all the way up front. You can actually still see it poking out. I gotta hide that a little bit better, but it comes down here, and the cable's pretty long, so I actually had to go loop it and then come back up here and comes down into here. For right now, I'm still using the plug. I do have the kit to install it, just haven't done it yet. Yes, so I guess all that's really left is to go ahead and show you how it looks. So during both the day and the nighttime, I really actually like the way it is. It's about $100 or so for this front and rear camera, which is actually pretty nice. But as you can see, the quality's pretty good. It's high def. But as you can see, the way it films is actually in 2 different files. So it's not like a picture-in-picture. You get full screen on both, and then you can just mess with the files independently, which is really nice. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that video here. I'll go ahead and do like an update review later, going over all the settings once I know how to go ahead and use it and can really give an overall opinion of it. But until then, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, leave us a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.